How to delete your old Facebook account without password, email address, phone number, or username. Let's get started. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in here, in the search bar, simply search for Facebook Customer Support. Once you're in here, head over to Help Center at the very top. It'll open up your another Facebook account and then land you on this page. Head over to Account Settings. Now scroll down and over here you can see it says, "Was this helpful?" Tap on No. Click on Other. Now you have to enter the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. Well, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. Not only this, you also have to provide them your username, phone number, and email address that you think that you have added to that account. Once done, tap on Submit. Now within 24 hours, they will analyze your account and if possible, they will delete the account that you wanted to. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.